Woo! What a nice day. Look at the sky. What a nice day to wax the lift truck, man. Let's get into it. We're gonna be using this. Y'all seen this already. Oh, this is Cash Only Cal, man. That's the name of my lift truck, man. 8-inch lift. So what you're gonna do is shake some of this up right here, man. Remember, little go a lot. A little is a lot. A little go a long way. You're just gonna buff it in. If the sun was out, you could see it actually shining a little better. But you know, we got a little overcast. Out here in California, we got a little overcast. So I said, man, it's a good day to come out and wax the truck. It's that simple, y'all. It's that simple. Boom. Just wiping it down, man. I already washed it. So washed it, gave it a good dry. Now I'm hitting it. Hitting it with the wax. It's that easy, it's that just wax and go too. You don't need no buffer. You don't need none of that. Get you a microfiber towel and just buff it in. Get your little circles going on. Y'all see this truck in California, man. Y'all know what it is. Big moolah. Y'all know y'all be seeing this truck every once in a while, man. Bringing him out, man. Now y'all know who inside that thing. You dig. That's all you got. That's all you need. Buff the only. Oh, this is permanent, man. This permanent paint right here. This ain't coming off. Ooh, look how it made that cash look. Oh man, wish y'all could see that in the sun. Maybe the other side. When I hit the other side up, maybe it'll show better. Cause that's wet. That's wet. It's wet, you dig. Let's go on the other side. Maybe y'all can see a little better in the sun. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that thing shining? Or is it the overcast? We ain't got no sun. But that's cool though, cause you don't want to be polishing your car or your truck in the direct sun. See, if the sun was out, I'd park it in the halfway in the garage, cause this truck won't fit in my garage. I probably better put the hood up in there. This truck right here won't even go through a car wash. It's too high up. It go past it, be hitting that little sign when you too high. So yeah, I don't even take my car through there. I don't even take my truck through there. Plus I got that big old flip down TV in the inside. And when the brushes be coming, wash your car, it hits the roof. Yeah, I don't want that. I got the wires, the TV up there. I don't want to loosen up no wires, none of that. So I do it myself. I got the pressure hose too, man. Next time, I'll show you how to pressure wash this thing. So you get your pressure washer, and you could do it yourself. And you be out here shining like Big Moolah, man, in a real way. I teach you how to do this, son. And the girls, man, the girls out there, man, who be, you know, washing their own whips. I'll be seeing y'all. And this is how you gonna wax it. Just like this, you dig. Hit this door up again. See? That's all you need, just a little. Little go a long way. Just buff it in, buff it in. I'm not worried about this cash only. That's permanent paint. That ain't coming off. And when you throw that wax over it, it ain't gonna look good. I wish I could see it up close. I don't know if it's showing out as good on this phone. Gonna hit this door next. Get that cash. Let's wax that cash. It's my Ford F-150 lift truck. Got an 8-inch lift on it. For now, I'm going higher though. I'm gonna go higher. Y'all stay tapped in, man. Y'all gonna see everything. Y'all gonna see me put it together. Just one of my babies right here, man. Still got the old school Maverick 4-door. Y'all ain't seen that one yet. I'll bring that one out probably in like a month or two. So I'm gonna go around, hit the whole car up. Bow. Go around, hit the whole car up, man. Color and dry, that's all you need. Oh man, somebody got me for my Iron Man head, man. Add on all 4 tires, man. So what happens when you leave your stuff on a car, you take a car to a shop. I should have took them off. Somebody got me for 2 of them. Now I'm just riding with 2 Ironmans in the back for now. But I'm about to pull these off, because I don't like the way that look. So anytime you take your car or truck to a shop, man, you got anything you want, you better take it with you, man. Don't leave it on there. Don't leave it on there at no shop. Promise you. Look, man, those is hard. They gold, man. They heavy. You know? Iron Man heads on a lift truck, man. Look. Somebody got me. Ooh, they got me. They dirty for that. They dirty. It's good, though. It's nothing, man. It's nothing. Lesson learned, Woody. See, look, now he's just gonna buff him in. Now he's just gonna buff him in. Hit you up some little circles too, man. It's the best way to do it. Just buff him in. Buff him in. Trying to see if I can get the shine on it, but again, our overcast. What that say? See that? Off the wave, man. So I'm gonna go around and hit the other car, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit the other side of the car. Then I'm gonna hit the hood. Gotta get up there though. I need a ladder. I need a ladder, man. But we out here though. Tap in. We did.